So today I'm gonna be making a lemon curry, lemongrass salmon with actually our own homegrown organic lemongrass. It's right here. It's in the backyard. As you see, this is our backyard. I didn't grow any of this stuff. This is all grandma's doing. So obviously it's massive. There's a lot of variety of fruits, vegetables, and herbs. So I'm just showing you some of these. So these are basils. These are I think these are like Thai basils. Fresh lemongrass. So it's right here. These are lemongrass, and you can see the roots or the stalks. That's what we're gonna be using. And these are mint, fresh mints. So it's gonna be a lot of random stuff here and there that we're gonna be using. So, but for this video, I'm gonna be using lemongrass and basil, fresh basil. I apologize for the noisy dog in the background. Is our so it's cut to the close to the root, and then just the part that is usable is the stalk. That's where it is the most fragrant. And then the leaves, we save those for like tea and soups and whatnot. Okay, so this part is usable. I don't need too much. That's about enough. That's about enough. It's only for a couple of servings. And then as you see, these are lettuce, fresh lettuce. These are all organic lettuce. These are
goji seed.
Yeah, what's that? Those superfruits, goji seed.
Still green now.
Okay. These are chives. These are American chives, and these are Chinese chives. So it's being organic, there's no pesticides or anything like that. So you're gonna see a lot of these things that has a lot of, pests that will get into it. Like they will start eating the leaves and everything. So, but that's part of being organic.
Kale.
These are purple kale. There's some beets over there. There's some beets over there. There's some beans.
String bean.
There's some string beans. Some
bean.
long beans. Some carrots over there. Some carrots. As you see, there are some of the
Organic carrots.
Yeah, we're already trying to harvest it. There's some squash over there. Some sweet potato leaves. That's very popular among Chinese cuisines. Some organic tomatoes over there. So there's a lot of random things here and there. These are more it's like Chinese spinach. Okay, then there's some. That's okay. So my family is here too. My mom is here. My dad is here, and then my mother-in-law is there right there, and my wife is using the camera.
And the dog.
The crazy
Crazy.
dog.
Crazy Mickey.
And then these are the squash.
It's called winter melon.
Yeah, the winter melon squash. These are the petals. These are all edible, by the way. They do grow vertically, as you see. These are some Concord grapes. They're already sprouting, so maybe give it another couple weeks to a month. They're start to be we can harvest it then. There's some corn here, somewhere here. There's some over here. Some tomatoes, organic tomatoes. We harvest a lot of it already, so it was a pretty good year this year.
Wow. So get some of this.
These are our peach tree that never blossom. so there's a massive peach tree, but no peach this year. I think it's because of the weather. So I don't know what this is.
Okra.
Oh, okra. So these are my bad. These are
Organic okra.
organic okra. They're massive. Yeah.
So beautiful. And they're so good.
Okay.
Oh, we have sunchoke. The sunchoke.
Oh yeah, these are sunchokes. The edible part is down there.
The root.
Close to the roots. They're like
Underground.
yeah. And then
Oh, we
some
have
Brussels sprouts over there. We moved the camera too fast. And then Huh? Some strawberries, and then some corn.
Oh, Korean melon.
And then some Korean melon.
Oh, we have a lot. 3 of them. It's huge and it's nice.
These are some watermelons, hatchlings.
Oh, this is huge winter melon.
Massive winter melon. There's another one over here. There's a massive
Wow.
one over there.
That's
There's
huge.
one over there too.
Can't see it. Let me show it. It's huge. Winter melon.
And then the rest of it is just herbs and some shiso leaves. These are shiso. You see those in Vietnamese cuisines, they put in the pho. Scallions, some bok choy, rosemary, Thai basil. We got a kumquat tree over there that is taking a long time to grow. And some lemon tree as well. Cool. All right, let's zoom out. All right, so there it is, guys. So this is our garden. This is where I get most of my stuff and my ingredients for our cooking and the videos. All right, thanks for watching, guys.